KOBELCO XD series machines have been setting a new benchmark in the large excavator market, thanks to their extreme duty design with structural reinforcement and factory standard wear guarding that has never before been offered by a manufacturer. XD series machines are also engineered with class-leading performance specs and the unbeatable fuel efficiency that you've come to expect from KOBELCO excavators. Today, we're going to take a closer look at KOBELCO's latest XD series machine, which is redefining expectations in the 35-ton segment. This is the SK380XDLC. Compared to standard machines, the SK380XD has been engineered to include additional reinforcement to key areas of mechanical stress and wear across the machine. This makes it perfectly suited to a variety of heavy-duty applications, whether it's quarry, demolition, underground utilities, or large infrastructure projects. You name it, the SK380XD is designed to perform and built to last. Like all XD series KOBELCOs, the SK380 is built with an extreme duty boom and arm set, with structural upgrades and additional steel plating ensuring unmatched long-term durability and reliability. A full-length rock guard protects the arm from damage from top to bottom, making it ideal for tough applications. The XD series upgrades continue through to the undercarriage, with hard-wearing structural reinforcement to the track idler frame and inner drive motor protection ensuring that large aggregate material doesn't damage or wear components prematurely. In addition to heavy-duty track chains and grousers, the machine has 3 track guides per side, increasing reliability and ensuring maximum undercarriage life, while reducing total cost of ownership. The underbody of the machine has also been upgraded with heavy-duty plating and component guarding. It's all designed to keep you going in the most challenging operating environments. The SK380XD is the heaviest machine in its class, providing excellent stability when operating. Combined with KOBELCO's innovative hydraulic management and fuel-saving technology, it's also built for performance, with class-leading breakout force and slew torque, delivering one of the fastest cycle times in the market. The SK380XD also has the highest tractive force in its class, allowing it to climb stockpiles with ease. It all adds up to improved productivity and the best digging performance in its class. And it does it all with KOBELCO's unbeatable fuel efficiency. In fact, operating data shows that the SK380XD has an average fuel consumption of just 20 liters per hour, even in heavy digging conditions. As you can see, with the new SK380XD, KOBELCO is delivering on its promise of legendary quality and reliability. And for further peace of mind, XD series machines also come standard with KOBELCO's 4-year, 6,000-hour extended warranty in Australia and New Zealand. You'll also get unlimited access to the GeoScan telematics system, which allows remote access to a comprehensive set of machine operation and maintenance information, available from any internet-connected device. KOBELCO's K-Assist technology is also standard, which allows KOBELCO dealers to provide advanced machine diagnostics remotely, with automatic machine troubleshooting and remote software upgrade capability from anywhere in the world. The SK380XD is available now at dealers across Australia and New Zealand. To learn more, speak to your local KOBELCO dealer by dialing 1300 KOBELCO in Australia, or you can visit us on the web at kobelco.com.au.